न शशाकदग्धुं सतत एव निववृते तन्न शशाकदग्धुं सतत एव निववृते नैतदशाकम् योगेन भक्तिरव्याभिचारिणी मयि अनन्य योगेन भक्तिरव्याभिचारिणी विविधदेश सेविता
Happy that my student and Dhananjayan students, as a dancer but as a student class, she studied with us right from the beginning and had discovered her talent long ago when she did Kaikeyi in a Bharatanatyam program that we did on Ramayana. I think she's kept up her talent and she's risen to great heights thanks to the influence of Swamiji. A piece about the Yaksha, say you can't even move a blade of grass, not even Agni or nor Vayu, then where are we? We are nowhere. So I think it is a realization of removing the ego and doing the good things, all the beautiful ideas that came out through Pavitra. Her name suits her absolutely. It was really a soulful, spiritual experience for all of us. We are nearer to God thanks to you.